Hey Alex, can you help me make an offer for my AI and automations agency? I offer automations to small and medium enterprises. For example, marketing agencies, real estate brokers, hotels, restaurants, basically all the small to medium businesses that can benefit from automations. Okay, let's go to target market. Actually, I answered the second question as well. Right now, I charge a fee that's custom to the project I work on. There is no set packages right now. My clients face the issue that they have to pay for services that can be done better and faster with automations, but right now they're done by humans. Some of them might need voice agent for the restaurant or a chatbot for their online coaching. My current conversion rate from lead to client is about 3% right now. Basically, I have two tiers of competitors. One of them is small agencies that use no-code tools to develop automations using AI, and the other is full-stack development firms that are more expensive custom, but it also takes long to work with them. Okay, let's see what's going to come up with. Okay, so that's the result that we got. Let's see what Alex said. He pretty much said that without a structure, you can leave clients uncertain about what they're paying for, which can lead to indecision, which is true. A fee structure that customized per project can deter potential clients due to unpredictability and focusing in associating value with cost. I'm not going to read the whole prompt, but so far it's quite alright. Clients paying human. Okay, so far so good. The conversion rate, yeah, it's low. Tense competition, yeah, that's true. 5-element gross offer. Frame your offer around specific attractive outcome. Yeah, that's true. Use reward metrics, specific examples, time delay. See, it has the full value equation implemented. Suggest to use packages, marketing materials. Okay, that's so far so good. Okay, that's actually really good. All right, I'm gonna read everything, but you can read yourself. Let me ask a follow-up question. What is the four-question close system? All right, so the four-question close is strategic framework designed to guide potential clients through the sales conversation by uttering their pain points. Okay, question one, what is your biggest challenge right now? Okay, how does it impact your business? What have you tried so far? If you could wave a magic wand and change something about your current situation, what would it be? Question close. Okay, seems quite right. Also give you an example of the answer that might give. So this is the actual built-in NA10. As you can see, this is the agent. I'm gonna leave the whole workflow underneath, but that's the prompt. Let's make it bigger. So this is the prompt. It pretty much says to use the vector store. Some rules and recommendations. I'm gonna leave it below the video as well. Then I've attached the vector store in Superbase that I'm gonna show in a second. And then, because sometimes the message like this one, they're way too big to be sent in only one message on Telegram. That's why on Telegram I added the normal output if it's possible to be sent, and then on error path. So if the message cannot be sent like this one, it's gonna go to an open AI model, which is going to split it every 3000 characters. As you can see, it already did it, and then it's gonna split it so every message can be sent individually. As you can see, we sent two messages here. As I mentioned before, we made the Superbase vector store. We use it for the brain of this whole operation, which is pretty much this one. Much Alex Hormozi's course on $100 million offers, which I actually found on YouTube, uploaded by him. And because I didn't want to copy everything individually, I made this simple workflow that's going to transcript all the videos and then upload them to Subase. How it works is pretty much you start it. I attached a manual start and a webhook start. I'm gonna explain why at the end. And I also used a Google spreadsheet to put all the video links. Let me just show it to you. So that's a spreadsheet with all the videos. I manually pasted them here. So how it works is that When I started to get the Google Sheet, the first row that's in the column done, it says no. Gets the first one, puts it into this API scraper, which for this occasion I use this one, YouTube transcript scraper, and then it adds the information to Supabase. Actually, to use the Supabase store, if you want to copy that whole workflow that I have, you're gonna need to go to docs and then need to find quick start here. So once you go here, once you find it, you just need to go here, copy this whole SQL, go back to Supabase to the SQL editor, just paste it here and run it. Then it's gonna create these tables for you and you're gonna be able to copy the whole workflow. Then after that's done, it changes the done status to yes. It waits for 30 seconds. I added because I had some issues when I built it. It was way too fast, so I included a wait. And then it sends an HTTP request back to this webhook. So everything is automatic and it's gonna transcribe all those videos in one go. Also, in case that you want to add some file from Google Drive, I've added, actually I'm not currently using them because I didn't need for this video, but it's good to know that you can pretty much add a trigger for Google Drive. So when you create a new file in a specific folder, like here, then it's gonna get the file downloaded, delete the previous row in Supabase if, for example, if you update a file. If not, that's gonna be skipped. Download the file, extract the information, and then add it to Supabase. That's pretty much it. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see something else, just leave a comment, and if it's interesting, I'm gonna build it. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can just put them in the comment section below.